have a big CT scan project that's going on. It's been going on for the past, sorry, for the past 6 years or so. So we want to scan some of these for our archive.
This guy's pretty rigid, and okay,
and that's a puppy? Dear Lord.
Scan the puppy.
What's that, Kate?
While we're in there, why not?
Yeah, let's scan the puppy, why not?
Okay.
Oh, it's a puppy?
It's a puppy.
We think, I mean, well, I guess we'll find out.
Well, our the scanning project, we're hoping to bring our study of the mummies into the present and into the future. We have a wonderful display of Egyptian material here, but they really haven't been looked at with modern techniques for the last almost 30 years or something. So it's going to be good to be able to bring us into the future.
I'm going to lift straight up, and if you pull the Tyvek so that it's evenly distributed there.
Right now we're just doing kind of basic analysis of the mummies. So they were x-rayed a long time ago, in the late 70s. And then one of them that's over there was autopsied.
Okay.
You can scoot this way if you need to. Very well. Or a piggyback.
Did you want to go back in on the piggy?
Let's see. So we take them over to the hospital. We basically put them on the machine, and the machine takes essentially an X-ray of them, but it does it every millimeter through the mummy. So from the front, back, left, right, top, bottom, and then we get all those files and we put them into the computer, and we can look at them either as single images or we can put them together in a 3D model to look at the whole thing.
I would say the rectangle's modern.
Not a lot of notes there.
We know that,
That
anybody.
would be great, thanks.
That's from the autopsy. Quote, autopsy. And that's why his whole abdomen is missing also.
Yeah, we're doing all this is Oh, thank you. This is Janice.
We don't know anything about his background because his name isn't preserved. There's no titles that we know.
I think actually
No
it might be
information.
accession in our report.
Yeah. I assume those were for samples.
In here.
Can we have a little cup you're putting these in?
Yeah.
Loose bits that need to be dealt with separately.
Did you make him a dog then?
Oh,
Do you want to, should we get this out of the way, or just roll further down
Okay, we'll keep that in mind.
What?
His feet are loose.
Oh.
Hate it when that happens.
Yeah. Oh, okay, from here?
Yeah.
Okay. We're good on this one.
Metric.
is it
Bits of
Mostly
wrapping,
bits of
things that
wrapping
fall off.
and stuff that have fallen off. He's not terribly stable.
It's very exciting. It'll be great to see what new information we can gather from the scanning. And we're all very excited. And hopefully this will lead to an eventual reinstallation of our Egyptian funerary material at some point down the line with all of this new information that we've gathered.